Hey guys, welcome to another episode where we hack the box. I'm going to go into starting point since we are already connected as usual. And we're going to go to tier 1. And last time we actually worked on SQL, which is the second box within tier 1, which deals with SQL. Today's box is going to be Crocodile. So let's open it up and spawn the machine now. This one is going to be a Linux machine apparently, and it's going to be dealing apparently with PHP script and FTP protocol. Okay, so the box has finished booting up. Let's copy the IP and we are going to go into our docs. I'm not going to show how I set up my workspace because we've done it so much that if you want to see it, go to the previous video. So the first question is, what Nmap scanning switch employs the use of default scripts used during a scan? I believe that's TAC-SC. Let's look at the hint. When checking Nmap's help menu, the description for this switch describes how using it can be considered intrusive to the target host. Let's Google that. Nmap TAC-SC switch. I believe it's that one, but let's see what it says here about that particular one. It's not here. So I believe it's this one right here, SC. Let's go ahead and try that over here. And voila. Alright, so what service version is found to be running on port 21? So now we have to do the scan. I believe port 21 is FTP. But we are going to check that out. Okay. Yep. So FTP port 21 is open and is VS-FTP 303. So we want to copy that. Paste it there. Before we actually submit, I don't think we read this. In the output of our Nmap scan, there is a column called version. Yes. So, there we go. Alright, so number 3. What FTP code is returned to us for the anonymous FTP login allowed message? Okay, let's read the hint. The code is a 3-digit number which is output both in the Nmap scan and when successfully logging into the FTP service. Okay, so if we go to our scan over here, we should have 3-digit number somewhere. Right here. No? No. That's just something else. Well, that's not it. We also have a website running here. Probably gonna have to Google that or try to log in. Okay. So maybe it's 230 then. That's the last number that we're probably gonna get. There we go. Alright, number 4. What command can we use to download the files we find on the FTP server? This we saw in tier 0. If I don't remember exactly what video it was, but if I remember to put it, I'll put the thumbnail over here somewhere for you to see. But it is get. Number 5. What is one of the higher privilege sounding usernames in the list we retrieved? Okay, so apparently there's a list, right? It's probably gonna be admin. So let's go ahead and submit that. But we need that file. So let's do a dir. And we can see right here that we have this user list and this user list passwords. So let's get allowed user list, and we can also allowed dot user list dot password. Okay, so we got both of them, and there's nothing else there, so we can just do this. Let's make a folder called FTP, and let's move the allowed to the FTP, and then move the other allowed to the FTP folder. So it is nice and neat. So now if we go into the FTP folder, and we can see that we have these files there. So what we want to do now is we want to see what's in the list. So we can just do cat allowed user list. So we got admin at the end. We can see that there. And we want to do the same thing for the passwords. And we see that we have root, we got super secret password 1, we got badass, whatever that is, and then we got some other stuff there. Okay, so these are the 3 possible ones. I don't know if, I'm guessing this one goes with this one, but it could be this one goes with this one. Not sure. We'll just have to try that out. Okay, so we got it. All right, number 6. What version of Apache HTTP server is running on the target host? So we gotta go back here, and we've gotta go right here. So it is this one right here, I believe. No, it's just the number. So it's just the number. It's kind of confusing how sometimes they want the entire thing and sometimes they don't. Alright, number 7. What is the name of a handy website analysis plugin we can install in our browser? It analyzes web applications. That is a good question. Website analysis plugin. Let's Google that. Website analysis. Is that how you spell it? I think it's analysis. I don't know how to spell. Plugin. No. Whatever. Number 1 security scanner. Net Sparker? Is that it? That's an ad. Let's check these 6 ones. pause bar. Come on, just show one freaking image. Ghostery, let's see. It ends with an R. I don't think it's gonna be any of these. It'll be this one. Wapalizer. Identify web technologies. Probably. Let's copy that. Well, sometimes it doesn't like it when you copy stuff, but let's try that. Let's see what the hint says. And yeah, okay. Wapalizer. What was that one? What switch can we use with GoBuster to specify we are looking for specific file types? That one is going to be TAGX. What file have we found that can provide us a foothold on the target? So there's going to be a PHP file there. Okay. So we have to find that file. Let's go back over here. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna be using GoBuster. GoBuster, there we go. And we are gonna be using this IP. And paste. So if you have never used GoBuster before, this is what this is what's happening. So we are telling it here that we want to use, we're looking for directories, right, in the web, in the website. We are specifying here the URL followed by the word list that we would like to use. I'm using dirbuster directory list, lowercase 2.3 medium text. Then we tell it what type of file types we want. So we have PHP, HTML, JSON, JS, JavaScript, XML, and text. And then we're throwing anything away that we don't really care about. So we just go and hit enter, and it'll start indexing the website. All right, so we see something, login.php. Let's let that run for a bit, but I believe this is what we are looking for. Login.php. Maybe? Yes, it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and navigate into that website and see what we are dealing with. So we see that it is some kind of service. I'm guessing it's a SaaS website. We've got, they do graphic design, website design, digital marketing. This is their content, which it's all pixelated, looks like NFT art or something. It actually moves around stuff. That's cool. We got pricing. Okay. Do these go anywhere? They don't. Don't care about that. Client testimonials, meet the team. They're all pixelated. They don't have links that work. Can we see their profiles? We cannot. They are in the San Francisco area. Okay, can we, so we got some emails here, don't really care. We got some phone numbers that probably don't matter, and we've got this message thing that we don't know if it works yet. But let's see what else can we do. I think if we just press anywhere here, it's just like a one-page thing, so this is gonna scroll us places, which that's what like regular modern websites, that's what they do. So first thing that I like to do is go to view page source. Let's see if we can find anything that we can use. Here we got a comment and it says browser upgrade, you're using an outdated browser. Browsehappy.com, upgrade your browser to improve, blah blah blah. We got a logo here. What else? Not really seeing anything in particular that is like interesting. It's all very standard. Sometimes they might leave access to files or usernames or passwords, but not right here. It doesn't look like it. And it's interesting that we found the login page, but we don't see here. If we try to do login.php, it doesn't exist in this main page. That means that this login page that we found is probably a login page for administrators or developers, right? So we need to check that out. That we don't care. You see that there's a contact PHP here, and that's that thing. So whenever we press submit, it's going to take us to assets contact. So, okay, let's go back here. And we saw that we have assets. So can we reach this? We can. Cool, there's the contact PHP. Can we download this? You could probably download it, but I'm not gonna right now. Got some CSS stuff. Got some fonts. We've got the SVG. Oh, I guess nothing. Images. A portfolio, and they had those pixelated stuffs. Nothing interesting here. And some JavaScript, which we don't really care about. Doesn't seem like it. Let's see what else. Let's see if this thing found anything else. We've got dashboard. We've got config PHP. It's interesting. What is this? Nothing. Maybe we have to be logged in or something to be able to access that page. We gotta log out PHP. Let's try to see what dashboard is. Copy. Oh. So, copy this again. wants us to log in. Okay, before we start trying to log in, let's inspect this. Nothing interesting, I don't think. No. Okay. So we've got something, we've got admin, and we can try root. We also have, wait, we've gotta go here. So let's do cat list and cat password. Let's try this password for admin. Admin, and do that. There we go. It was that. So we are now logged in the server manager for this website as admin. We can even read the notifications here. Hi there. I don't know if I want to actually read them or not. New monthly report is ready for you to download. Not sure if I can actually look at it, but okay, so we're here. Now what do we do? So I just wanted to show you something because I totally missed it, didn't read. We actually didn't need to go into the source code. You obviously probably knew that already, but here is your flag and like really big text, and I didn't even see that. Wow, I'm blind. Well, there it is. Go here, do HTTP, and submit the flag. And there we go. We just needed to go into the source and find that flag, which I wasn't expecting that. I thought we had to find a reverse shell to get into the system and then get the root flag, but we didn't have to do all of that. Maybe in the next one. The flag was just there in the source code. There we go. I hope you guys learned something new. I had fun with this one. It was pretty interesting. It was pretty easy, I'm not gonna lie, which makes me feel pretty good. You know, but anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for next week. I think we're going to be going to tier 3, which we've already done some of those boxes, but I think there's still some that we haven't finished there. And once we're done, maybe we can do VIP if we can. If not, then we'll have to figure out something to do, because it's going to be gone. The starting point is going to be over, which is unfortunate, but we'll see what happens. I'll see what else I can record for this. If you have any suggestions on any boxes you would like to see, they have to be retired, not active. So that's the only issue here. But maybe I can do something, cover a different topic like networking if you don't really know how that works, how computers connect to each other, or maybe we can even do other boxes. There's other places we can actually hack and actually go through the whole motion of hacking into a web server or whatever. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. It really helps with the algorithm and with YouTube showing my videos to other people who need to see this video. Until next time, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.